Hello friends, so today we're going to find the values of sine, cos, tan, cot, secant and cosecant. In order to find this value, first of all we'll have to know about this triangle. So here will be the angle theta, and in front of this angle theta, this side will be our opposite side. The side that will be on the opposite side of the theta, and the side with which this theta is connected will be our adjacent side, means the base, and this is the longest side. This is going to be our hypotenuse. So you can just like remember it like as an hippo is a big, and hypotenuse is the biggest side of the triangle. So here we go. In order to find this triangle, let me just label it as, this is going to be our A, B, C. So let me just build this triangle again, and we'll just put on some values of the sides. Okay, here we go. This is our hypotenuse, this is our opposite. Sorry, I messed up. Yeah, so this is will be our opposite, and this side be our base. So let this value is 3, and this side is 4, and this will be our x. In order to find the x, we'll have to use the Pythagoras theorem. If you guys don't know about the Pythagoras theorem, it will be, so first of all let me just label it. This will be our A, this will be our B, and this will be our C. So in order to find the values, first of all we'll have to know the Pythagoras theorem. So it will be, Pythagoras theorem is basically the sum of two sides is equal to the largest side. So it will be like AC square plus BC square is equal to AB square. Okay, so now we'll have to put the values. So what's our AC? This thing, this is 4 square plus, and what's our BC? This thing, this is our 3 square, and is equal to AB. This is our x square. So now we'll have to find the value of x, and 4 square is, as you all know, it is going to be 16, and what's 3 square? It's going to be 9. It's equal to x square. Okay, so it's going to be 25 is equal to x square. Okay, and when we'll just shift this side to here, the square is going to be x is equal to 25 under root. So the value of x is going to be 5. Here we go, we have find the value of 5. Let me just build the triangle over here. Okay, so this was our x is equal to 5, and this we had as 3, and this we had as 4. Okay, so here we go. Now we have all the values. This is our adjacent, oh sorry, this is our opposite, my bad, opposite, and this is our adjacent, and this is hypotenuse. Okay, so we have now all the three functions. So now let's talk about the sine, cos and tan. Let me just build our triangle over here. Let me just see what's the, sorry, I just like misinterpret the values. Just give me a second. So this was 4 and this was 3. Let me just rewrite. This was 4 and this was 3. Okay, so here we go. Now we have the values. Okay, hypotenuse, I don't know why is it messing up. 5, 4, 3. So the value of sine will be, this was our theta. Okay, so sine, the value of sine will be opposite over hypotenuse, opposite over hypotenuse. So what's the value of hypotenuse? We'll just put the value of opposite and hypotenuse. The opposite is 3 and the hypotenuse. This is not the hypotenuse. Give me a second. Yeah, so this is our hypotenuse. Okay, my bad. This is our hypotenuse. So this will be the value of sine. And the value of cosecant, just let me tell you, the value of cosecant will be the reciprocal of sine. The reciprocal of sine will be the value of cosecant. So we'll just flip it. Okay, we'll just flip it. It will be hypotenuse over opposite. So the value will be 5/3. So we have found two values, sine and cosecant. Let's move on to the next one. Let me just spell the triangle here again. Okay, so we have found now the sine value. Now for the cos, cos will be our adjacent over hypotenuse. Adjacent over hypotenuse. So what's our adjacent here? If you can see, what's our adjacent? Adjacent is 4 and hypotenuse is 5. I think you guys are getting it right. And the secant will be the reciprocal of cos. Okay, so it will be hypotenuse over adjacent. So simply it will be just 5/4. Easy. It's really easy, I know. Okay, so now we'll find the value of tan. So tan will be sine over cos. So here we go. We'll just put the values of sine and cos. What was sine? Again, opposite over hypotenuse. Okay, and what was the value of cos? Was adjacent over hypotenuse. Okay, so now we'll just put the values. It will be opposite over hypotenuse, and it will be just shifting on the other side, like hypotenuse over adjacent. So this thing cut down, and we'll be just left with, so I'm just doing it over here, opposite over adjacent. So tan will be is equal to opposite over adjacent. So we'll just put the values. What's our opposite here? If you can see, opposite is 3 and adjacent is 4. So the value of opposite will be 3 and the value of adjacent will be 4. And chord will be the reciprocal. Okay, so chord will be 4/3, which is adjacent over opposite. So this was how we found all the values from just a triangle. By using the Pythagoras, we found the values of sine, cos, tan, cot, secant and cosecant.